Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve a very interesting problem x power 4 plus 4 equal what? So many people confused in that how to solve this. So let's start with today's video solution. So first I am taking x power 4 minus 4. So what it is, we can write this x power 4 as x square whole square minus 4 as 2 square. Here I am going to use the identity a square minus b square, which is equals to a plus b times a minus b. So let's put the value. So it becomes x square plus 2 times x square minus 2. Now here if I'll take this part x square plus 2 and do square of that, so it becomes a plus b whole square, which is equal x power 4 plus b square is 2 square plus 2ab. So x power 4 plus 4 plus 4x square. So this is equals to x square plus 2 whole square. Now as per the question, we have to find the value of x power 4 plus 4. This is this x power 4 plus 4. If I'll take out the value of this, so it becomes x square plus 2 whole square minus 4x square. This is equals to x power 4 plus 4. Now again I'm using the same identity, that is a square minus b square. So this is a and this is b. So this is equals to a plus b, a minus b. So a plus b. B you can write 4x as 2x whole square. So here b is 2x and a minus b. So x square plus 2 minus 2x. So x square plus 2x plus 2 times x square minus 2x plus 2. These are the factors of x power 4 plus 4. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.